How to use ceremony chairs. In this tutorial, we will highlight the function of how to use the Ceremony Chairs tool. The Ceremony Chairs tool is located within the Objects toolbar, located under the Objects sub-tab. Upon selecting the tool button, a Properties box will populate. It is here where you can input preset information. First, choose a setup shape. Select with or without an aisle. If adding an aisle, input the aisle dimensions. Select the amount of chairs and the number of chairs per row. Select a chair type from the drop-down menu. Then we will add the distance between the chairs. And finally, the distance between the rows. A chair count will populate in the bottom of the Properties box. When done, click OK. The ceremony chairs will automatically be linked to your cursor as you float over the floor plan. Simply click on the floor plan where you would like to place the ceremony chairs. Once you place your chairs on the floor plan, you will see two things: a context menu and a properties window. In the context window, click the plus or minus icon to add or remove seats from individual rows. You can then rotate the chairs in one of two ways. Either click on the rotate icon in the top left corner and move your mouse in the desired rotation direction, or use the rotating tool in the properties window. You can also click the reset button to reset your selection. Select the Chairs tab in the upper right-hand corner to bring the preset options back for any adjustments. You can assign letters and/or numbers to identify rows. Use the sorting options for ascending and descending values. You can also assign numbers to chairs and use the toggle to determine if it should start from right to left or left to right. Use the slider to apply a curve to the ceremony chairs. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning more about the all-seated ceremony chairs feature.